Welcome to TuneUp Automotive's AI-driven strategies video. We are focused on future-proofing our company by implementing AI advancements into critical areas of our business.
Welcome to TuneUp, where smarter service starts here. Today's automotive industry is changing rapidly, and customers expect faster service, better communication, and modern technology. Many repair shops still rely on outdated systems that create long wait times, customer frustration, and inefficient workflows. TuneUp has an opportunity to stand out from its competitors like Meineke and Firestone Complete by embracing AI technology and transforming into a smarter, more efficient automotive service company. Instead of falling behind, TuneUp can lead the future of automotive repair. Our vision for the future is to combine trusted automotive expertise with AI technology. AI-assisted testing can help technicians identify vehicle problems faster and more efficiently. Customers can receive real-time updates on their repairs, while smart pricing tools can improve transparency. AI is not replacing our mechanics. It's giving them better tools to perform their jobs. By combining skilled technicians with advanced technology, TuneUp can deliver a faster, smarter, and more personalized customer experience. Keep in mind, we're not replacing our mechanics with AI. We're giving great technicians superpowers. Why TuneUp needs AI? Imagine a customer walks into TuneUp with a strange engine noise. Instead of waiting hours for answers, AI helps our technicians diagnose the issue within minutes. If TuneUp does not change to new technology, larger competitors may continue gaining more and more customers. AI will help TuneUp stay competitive, improve operations, and create a better overall customer experience. AI is becoming an important part of business operations across many industries, including automotive services. By using AI tools, TuneUp can improve efficiency, reduce the amount of errors, and provide faster and more accurate service to customers. This transition will help the company grow and stay competitive in today's world.
Powering performances through TuneUp with AI, this transformation strategy, as we're going to call the roadmap. Overview, analysis, customer service review, data, maintenance, relative skills, revenue, work benefits, and results. Diving into the industry, revenue costs are in the billions, and enterprise dominate through scale. Focusing on AI-driven, TuneUp will see an increase on revenue in the billions and will be able to move the needle. TuneUp could not move in size. However, it can create a dynamic and superior customer service experience, customer expectations with impact and workforce benefits. Using predictive maintenance, such as predict service needs, reduce breakdowns, increase repeat customer service requests, improve operational efficiency. Applying the metrics to the roadmap, AI-driven will guarantee impact results to revenue and overall customer satisfaction. And how we can do this is looking at the results and the reviews. Workforce reduction, overtime, labor costs, increase of productivity, response times, and customer satisfaction.
Incorporating AI dramatically elevates customer service by offering hyper-efficiency and transparency. Customers get instant digital check-ins and automated diagnostics. Predictive AI also forecasts mechanical issues, providing precise maintenance timelines and fostering deep consumer trust.
These next few slides will outline our chosen topics for AI integration into TuneUp. We will break down why adding these AI integrations will benefit the company and how we will conduct the integration and when we would expect them to go live. Our first addition is an AI assistant for service advisors. Explaining complex and technical problems to frustrated customers takes up valuable time out of our days and often leads to tension and more frustration on both sides. Utilizing an AI tool built right into our service desk and a customer app that can translate confusing trouble codes into clear, plain language, this will help us instantly explain the why behind the repair, reducing customer pushback and helping us close sales faster. We can begin testing the interface in month 4 with the tool fully active and at our desk by month 6. Our next AI integration tool is an acoustic diagnostic app for technicians. Chasing down mysterious engine clicks and squeaks wastes our shop floor time and relies too much on guesswork during test drives. We would use our shop tablets to record the vehicle's sound, and an AI application matches the audio against a master database to pinpoint the exact failing part in seconds. This speeds up our diagnostic time, boosts our flat rate hours, and gives rookies the confidence of a master mechanic. App testing starts in our bays during month 6 and will roll out to our shop floor by month 8. Our last AI integration is an automated parts pricing tool. By manually checking multiple distributor websites to compare parts prices and calculating margin, it eats up our front counter time. Our point of sale system receives an AI upgrade that automatically tracks local distributor stock and competitors' pricing. It instantly calculates the best retail prices for us, meaning we spend less time on hold with part stores and more time helping customers in the lobby. This system can go live in the front counter on month 7, and after a short setup period will be online and more efficient than ever.
An actionable AI transition plan is vital for market relevance and operational efficiency. It maximizes efficiency, reduces waste, elevates the customer experience, and secures a competitive advantage. By formalizing this roadmap, TuneUp ensures future market dominance.